How to pump up a bicycle shock. Connect the threaded end of the air tube to the electronic air pump. Open the protective cover of the main air chamber. Connect the air pipe of the electronic air pump to the air port of the shock absorber. Turn on the air pump power. Adjust the air pump mode to bicycle mode. The air pressure unit is psi. After the shock absorber is inflated, cover the air port protective cover. Connect the trachea to the auxiliary air chamber. Shock absorber usage tutorial. Turn the blue adjustment valve to the far left, and the shock absorber will have the smallest expansion and contraction. Turn the blue adjustment valve to the far right, and the shock absorber will expand and contract the most. The red gear on the top of the shock absorber rotates clockwise, and the shock absorber expands and contracts slower. The red gear on the top of the shock absorber rotates counterclockwise, and the shock absorber expands and contracts faster.